Texas Voodoo here. Today we're going to do an unboxing of my new Moto Metal MO9627 17x10 with a -24 offset wheels that I just got for my Jeep Gladiator. Alright. Some packing material. Some installation instruction, torque specs on what type of lug nuts to use. Some foam padding. Here they are. Let's grab a ruler, give you some measurements on them. Very nice powder coating, Moto Metal in the center. Looks like you have I couldn't really find anything online on how deep they were, because some wheels, you know, even though they have a -12 or 24 offset, it's measured from the center hub, and if these spokes are angled out, then you don't have the lip protruding like you see in this wheel, where this one is a -24 all the way around, so you get that deep dish look. If that's what you're going for, that's what you like. You're looking at, you know, 4 3/4 inch back spacing, roughly around there. Very nice looking wheel. Hope they look great on the Gladiator. Here's the info on them right here. And it looks like they're a dual pattern, fit 5 or 5.5. So I hope this helps somebody. Please hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, subscribe to my channel.